When you talk about delivering immersive experience, right? I mean, what do you think the future of 2D, 3D? A lot of courses are created just by using PowerPoint, and it gets the job done. So, should organizations, everybody should they just jump onto this bandwagon and start delivering immersive experience, or what should be their strategy in terms of creating and delivering immersive experience for their learners?
Okay, again, that's an interesting point because what we talk about now is too extreme. One is like not very advanced technology like virtual reality, augmented reality, and we can also talk about something like a PowerPoint or a PDF-based learning. And for me, it's not just the technology; it's the storytelling part. How effectively we are telling the story, and how convincingly we are telling the story. That's what matters, because you can't just think of virtual reality just to create a virtual environment and reproduce the same experience that they can easily achieve on a screen. So that doesn't make any sense. So unless you find a relevance to implement that kind of immersive experience, that doesn't make a sense. So I've seen like, there is a virtual reality concept. Somebody goes into that, and there are questions and answers. We are basically going and selecting with your joystick or maybe touch and all those stuff. So yeah, that's a different media, but the effectiveness of or effective utilization of the features of that particular technology is not really comes there. But I've seen very low-end tools are also used effectively to create learning content. For example, PowerPoint is in fact a powerful tool, I would say. So there are a lot of advancements done to that particular tool. And even we have done certain courses, trial courses with PowerPoint, where you can actually create interactivities within that using 3D models. And you can still build animations in PowerPoint. And because when you talk about PowerPoint, you have a picture in mind, okay? And when you see a very basic layout, then there is a comment, okay, this looks like PPT. So that was the mindset. But tools are just tools. Like if you have a good vision, then you can use the appropriate tool to deliver the content. That's what I think. Sometimes PowerPoint or maybe an interactive PDF will be the right tool to deliver something. So why not use that? We don't have to always think of high-end technology or immersive or any other stuff.
So are you basically saying that effectiveness, it takes precedence over tool or technology, and based on the effectiveness we can decide which tool will be compatible or help you achieve that goal?
Yeah, in the right design process, I would say you identify the problem, understand it properly, then you think of a solution that solves that problem, and then you think of the tool to solve that problem. Because if you're selecting the tool upfront, then I'm not sure how effectively you're going to solve the problem. So tools are just tools, like
sure.
That's what I think. But yeah, sometimes it makes sense when you really want to do something really outstanding and give a different dimension to it. So consideration like you put a heavy video based stuff, or you have a 3D or 3D very engaging animations to it. It adds the richness or the engagement factor. But what we need to really think about is how effective the learning happens. So if that learning is achieved through a different tool or different methodology, then that's fine. So we can just go ahead with that.
Sure. I think you summed it up really well. That the way you explained the process of designing and developing e-learning courses. Start with the problem statement, understand your learner, design the solution, and when you design the solution, look at the tool, and not the other way around where you select the tool and technology and then create a solution around it.